So this is the water and anthocyanin.
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 I'm just mixing it.
Okay. Anything happening? Any reaction?
I don't know. It's just water, so probably not.
Okay.
It's probably just to make it into liquid. It's red now.
Kitty, what do you think's going on?
There you go. 1 bottle of citric acid, so all of this.
Any reaction?
No, just poured it into the flask. Add a bottle of sodium carbonate to the flask.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Put that back on.
Any reaction?
No, nothing happened to the flask with the reaction mixture. Liquid soap.
Is it drippy?
I don't know. Basically, it's like soap. Okay, I think that's all of it in there.
Any reaction?
No?
Pour the solution in.
Okay.
Okay. This is it. We're gonna pour the solution in, right?
Okay. Yeah.
There it goes. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Ooh.
Ooh.
It's lava.
Yeah.
Color? Ooh, it was a big bubble.
Yeah.
So what's happening?
It's reacting.
Can you smell it?
No, not from here, at least. I guess I see why they wanted you to have a bowl.
Mm-hmm. What happens if you mix it a little more?
Actually, kind of warm.
Is it warm?
Well, I feel the bottle and it's kind of warm. Actually, no, it's not. Don't touch it. Oops. You have gloves.
Got that rainbow colors almost there.
It's like foam, yeah.
Oh, wow. Yay, Mel Science.
Yay.
Science was had. Okay, ready? Go ahead.
Citric acid and sodium carbonate split into ions in water. Molecules of citric acid split into citrate anions and hydrogen ions, while molecules of sodium carbonate split into carbonate anions and sodium cations. One carbonate anion reacts with two hydrogen ions to form carbonic acid, which easily decomposes into water and gaseous carbon dioxide. The latter fills the bubbles and makes the soap foam in the experiment.
Aha.
The reaction between acids and carbonates can be very useful. For example, the same reaction is in the experiment takes place when fizzing tablets dissolve, while the reaction between sodium hydrocarbonate and acetic acid, which is contained in vinegar, makes the dough airy and baked good.